Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. I'll just give you a brief introduction of myself. I'm a wife, a mom, a content creator. I have a health and lifestyle channel. But today I'm going to be talking on a different topic. It's going to be on channel growth. This video specifically is for beginners. We are just starting out on YouTube and probably you've been posting videos with little views here and there. You've been on YouTube for a while, but you're not seeing any growth at all, and the subscriber count are very, very low. You're not alone. I've been there, and just recently things turned around for me. So I said, let me share this video. If I'm able to help just one person, then I think I've achieved my aim. So I'll just let me just tell you how it all started. So imagine this, you've been grinding on YouTube for like a year, uploading consistently, but your channel isn't growing, and you know that feeling. It's not a good feeling. You feel stuck, frustrated, and sometimes even ready to give up. Well, I did. I gave up for 8 months. I started my channel last year, January, if I remember very well. Then I posted weekly consistently for 3 months. But believe me, what I thought was going to happen wasn't what happened. That was me just 2 weeks ago. But then I discovered one secret that changed everything for me. In just 14 days, I gained over 200 subscribers and my views skyrocketed. It's just like a dream because I've never had that in the past. I posted consistently for 3 months. That's posting one video every week for 3 months, and I had barely 100 and something subscribers. It really discouraged me, so I stopped. I concentrated on something else for 8 months. Then during the holidays in December 2024, it has always been a passion of mine to have a channel where I can like share my passion and probably interact with other like-minded people. So I said, let me give it a go again. So I kept posting, not every day, but I would say sometimes once a week, sometimes once in 2 weeks. And there was a little difference, like the subscriber count increased, but I'll say probably maybe sometime one or two person in a month, until I came across this secret I'm about to share with you. So today I'm sharing exactly what I wish I knew when I started out on YouTube. But here is the catch. I'm saving the secret for the end of this video. So if you're ready to grow your channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and join my Telegram group. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let me take you back to where it all began. A year ago, I started my YouTube channel with so much excitement. I had big dreams, like thousands of subscribers, a viral video, and maybe even a full-time career on YouTube. But reality hit hard. I was uploading videos every week, putting in hours of work, but my channel was stuck at just a handful of subscribers. I felt invisible. I tried everything. I really did. Well, maybe not everything. I watched other YouTubers video, people that have been on YouTube for years. I learned from their video. Like I have this jotter where I put down my ideas. I will watch other people's video, people that have succeeded on YouTube, watch their videos, put down. So you hear things like and try and upload from youtube.studio.com, then your video will go viral. I tried that. But well, people's journey are different. Probably maybe somebody else tried it and it worked for them, but that didn't work for me. I tried is it tags, put on this button, switch this one off, and turn on this button and see what happened. Believe me, I tried all of that. So like I said, I tried everything. Better thumbnails, catchy titles, even posting at different times of the day, but nothing worked. Well, I wouldn't say it didn't work entirely, but not like I expected anyway. So after 8 months of no growth, I gave up. Like I said earlier, I abandoned my channel thinking probably YouTube just wasn't for me. But then something changed. 2 weeks ago, I stumbled upon a secret, a simple yet powerful strategy that completely transformed my channel. And today I'm sharing that journey with you. But before then, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I'm not there yet. I haven't still gotten to 1,000 subscribers or even the watch hour requirements, but this significant growth, this significant change has really given me that boost, that push, and that excitement to start all over again. Subscription is free for you, but it means a whole lot to me. So please kindly subscribe to this channel and join that Telegram group for more discussion. I promise you, you're not paying a fee, you're not paying a dime. All the information I'm going to be sharing with you is completely free, but it's not something I can discuss here. YouTube and their policies. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and it means a whole lot to me. Bye.